Common routines буюу байнгын хийдэг зүйлсээ ярьж сурах 21 өгүүлбэрийг өнөөдөр сурцгаая. Эхний ээлжинд morning routine өглөө хийдэг зүйлсийг хэлж сурцгаая. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Би 7 цагт сэрдэг гэсэн ийм өгүүлбэр байна. 7 o'clock гэдгийн оронд өөрийн сэрдэг цагуудаа тавиад цаашдаа ашиглаарай. Жишээ нь I wake up at 8 o'clock. Би 8 цагт сэрдэг.
I wake up at night and I can't move.
I wake up at 5.
I tell you, I wake up at 4 a.m.
I wake up at the last minute and my mom can't wait for me. And
during the week, I wake up at 5 a.m. precisely.
I get up at 7 o'clock. I get up at 7 o'clock. Би 7 цагт орноосоо босдог. Би босдог гэсэн өгүүлбэр байна. Үүний оронд ингэж болно. I get up at 9 o'clock. I get up at 9 o'clock. Юу гэсэн өгүүлбэр вэ гэхээр би 9 цагт босдог гэж.
I don't fly and I get up at 8.
I get up at about 1 o'clock.
Bob and I get up at 5:30 every morning to run our paper route.
I get up at 8 in the morning because the noise from my alarm clock interrupts my sleep, and I lean over and just...
I get up at 6:30, I get Heather to school by 8:30, I go to work, I pick her up, put her down by 8, and then I can't even fall asleep before 2 or 3.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Би шүдээ угаадаг. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth twice daily and smile.
I brush my teeth 3 times a day and I never drive above local speed limits.
And I brush my teeth every morning and every night.
I brush my teeth twice a day.
I brush my teeth standing up, looking straight in the mirror.
I take shower. I take a shower. Би шүршүрт ордог. I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I take a shower, you go cook something, and then Susanna arrives.
I take a shower every day.
I take a shower.
Tell him I'll be right there after I take a shower.
I eat breakfast. I have breakfast. Би өглөөний цагаа уудаг, өглөөний цагаа иддэг.
I have breakfast at 8. The children at 9.
I eat breakfast, but I don't read the paper.
I have breakfast at 8 a.m. sharp.
Then I have breakfast and I read the morning paper.
But after I'm well rested and I eat breakfast, hopefully the guy cooks as good as Maurice.
I drink coffee. I drink coffee. Би кофе уудаг. I drink coffee.
I find if I drink coffee too late at night, I can't sleep.
So I drink coffee, then I just don't like the caffeine.
I drink coffee?
I mean, if I drink coffee after 8 p.m., it's impossible for me to sleep.
I drink coffee because that's what people my age do.
I go to work. I go to work. Би ажилдаа явдаг. Би ажил руугаа явдаг. I go to work.
I go to work and I go home and that's it.
Wow. So I go to work and then after work, sometimes I go have a beer?
I get up, I go to work, I come home, I go to bed, and then I go back to work again.
That means I go to work, I go home, I come back later.
I go to work the other day.
I go to school. I go to school. Би сургууль руугаа явдаг. I go to school.
I go to school with your daughter.
I go to school with Walter.
I go to school here and
Okay.
And
yeah, but I go to school here. I go to school with her.
Үдээс хойш хийдэг зүйлсийг сурцгаая. I eat lunch. I have lunch. Би өдрийн хоолоо иддэг.
I eat lunch at your Waukegan location at least twice a week.
Do you mind if I eat lunch at my desk?
So, I have lunch plans with Dawn this weekend.
I eat lunch at Ed's every day.
I have lunch with him every day. Just him and me. Right there in the middle of the schoolyard.
I work in the afternoon. I work in the afternoon. Би өдөөс хойш Ажлаа хийдгээ. Өдөөс хойш би ажилдаг. I work in the afternoon.
I work in the city.
I work in the city attorney's office as the assistant DA.
I work in the city, and maybe we could. You know, I don't even know your last name.
I work in the city, D.
Work in the city. Yeah.
I study English. I study English. Би англи хэл сурдаг. English гэж үгийн оронд тагд маань өөрсдийн сурж байгаа хэлээ хэлж болно. I study Russian. I study Spanish. I study English.
I study English Lit.
I study English so I can tell you how I feel.
No, I study Chinese.
I study English very hard to make you happy.
I study the microorganisms that carry disease.
I go shopping. I go shopping. Би дэлгүүр хийсдэг. I go shopping.
I go shopping at Phipps Plaza.
Let's you and I go shopping for Mommy.
I go shopping with my mom too.
My roommate and I go shopping all the time.
I go shopping at the A&P like that.
I meet my friends. I meet my friends. Би найзуудтайгаа уулздаг. За би найз охинтойгоо уулздаг гэвэл I meet my girlfriend. I meet my colleagues. Хамт ажилладаг хүмүүстэйгээ уулздаг гэж.
Papa, I meet my biggest clients here.
Every time I'm in Denmark, I meet my Danish friends.
Go to another, I meet my husband. Coincidence?
Anyway, tomorrow I meet my stylist.
I meet my friends when I want to meet them.
Оройд хийдэг зүйлсийг яар сурцгаая. I come home at night. I come home at night. Оройд гэртээ ирдэг. I come home at night.
I come home from work to my place, and all I have is my work.
When I come home at night, he's always locked in that studio.
I come home every night of the year.
I come home to find you taking a bath with your dolls.
I eat dinner. I have dinner. Би орой хоолоо иддэг. I eat dinner. I have dinner.
I eat dinner each night at precisely 8 o'clock.
Technically, I eat dinner.
Because I'm gonna have a nervous breakdown if I eat dinner on this table like this one more time.
Can I eat dinner yet, Mr. Gregor?
I mean, I eat dinner every night, so why don't we eat together?
I watch TV. I watch TV. Би зурагт үздэг. I watch TV.
When I watch TV, he sleeps.
See, I watch TV all day long.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
Hector, my mom works late on Wednesdays, so I watch TV with Stuart.
I read books. I read books. Би ном уншдаг. Би ном уншдаг. I read books.
I read books. I build computers.
I read books.
Because I read books, I feel for some reason I'm not allowed to talk.
I read books, man.
I read books, Josh, more than you do, and you're a writer.
I play with my children. I play with my children. Би хүүхдүүдтэйгээ тоглодог. Эсвэл with гэдэг яраас өөрөөр оруулах юм бол би тийм юмар бас тоглодог гэсэн утгаар хэлж болно. I play with my children.
I play with the kids, take out the garbage, get 6 hours of sleep if I'm lucky, and then everything starts all over again. So,
You know, I play with this thing all the time, too.
Well, I play with all of this stuff.
I play with George.
I play with my friends.
I go for a walk. I go for a walk. Би салхилдаг. Би явж гарч салхилахаар явдаг гэсэн утгаар орж ирж. I go for a walk.
I wake up, I drink some mushroom coffee, and I go for a walk.
When I go for a walk now, and I look at things.
Can I go for a walk?
A couple of days later, by coincidence, I go for a walk. Why don't you and I go for a walk and talk about this alone?
Night routine буюу шөнө хийдэг зүйлсийг сурцгаая. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. 10 цагт хорондоо ордог. 10 p.m. гэдэг үгийн оронд та бүхэн унтах цагаа хэлж болно. I go to bed at 11 p.m. Магадгүй I go to bed at 12 a.m. ч юм уу тий. Яг шөнө 12 цагт унтдаг бол ингэж хэлнэ гэсэн үг.
They meet at 8 o'clock, and I go to bed at 7:30.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock at night.
No, I go to bed at 9:30.
I go to bed at night and it's all I can think about.
The time I get up in the morning until I go to bed at night.
I sleep at night. I sleep at night. За оройд бол би унтдгаа л гэсэн юм болов.
Do you mean can I sleep at night?
I sleep at night.
When I sleep at night, I make a very disturbing sound.
And I sleep at night.
During the day,
I sleep at night.